most of the students are requested. Hi dear students, good morning all. Long time I'm coming to the live. Some students are requested, sir, take that some important questions, important models in intermediate maths 1A, trigonometry. Some basics I'm discussing in Telugu and English medium both. Find the values of sine 5 pi by 3, tan 855, secant 13 pi by 3. So first question here, sine 5 pi by 3. Observe the students carefully. Sine 5 pi by 3. 5 nearer to 6. So 6, 3, how many times is going to divide? 2 times. So can we write like this? Sine of 2 pi minus pi by 3. 3 2s are 6. 6 pi minus pi, pi. Okay dear students. Sine of 2 pi minus pi by 3. Okay, are you getting? Everyone? After that, sine of 2 pi, from here to here it is pi, from here to here it is 2 pi. 2 pi minus pi by 3 means 60 degrees. So in fourth quadrant sine is negative, so minus will come. 2 pi even multiple of pi by 2. So even multiple of pi by 2 వచ్చిందంటే ఏమవుతుంది? sine వస్తుంది. So sine angle is what here? Pi by 3. ఇక్కడ angle ఎంత ఉంటే అంత రాయాలి. Pi by 3 means 60 degrees, no? So we can get it as minus sine 60 root 3 by 2. I hope everyone understand. This is the way we can do this today. Once again I will explain. 5 pi by 3. 5 అనేది 6 కి దగ్గరగా ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి 3 కి మల్టిపుల్ 6 అవుతుంది కదా. 3 2 the 6 కాబట్టి 2 pi minus pi by 3 గా రాసుకోవచ్చు. మీకు ఇంకా కావాలి అంటే 5 ని 3 తో డివైడ్ చేస్తే 3 1s are 3. ఇక్కడ 2 బ్యాలెన్స్ ఉంది కదా, కాబట్టి pi ప్లస్ 2 pi by 3 రాసి మళ్ళీ 2 pi by 3 ని pi minus pi by 3 గా రాసుకోవచ్చు. అది కొద్దిగా హెడేక్, ఇది ఈజీ అయిపోతుంది. బట్ ఐ హోప్ అండర్స్టాండ్ స్టూడెంట్స్. Now come to second one. Tan 855. Tan 855. 855 అనేది 900 కి దగ్గర ఉంది. 900 కి it is near to 900. So can we write like this? Tan 900 minus 45. 900 how to write in terms of pi or pi by 2? 90 into 10 also we can write. Otherwise 5 times of 180. So that is equal to tan of 5 into 180 minus 45. Okay dear students. Tan of n pi minus theta minus tan theta. We have formula. Tan of n pi means 180. That is equal to minus tan theta. So what we can write it here? Minus tan theta value is what? 45. So tan 45 value 1. So minus 1. I hope everyone got it. 855 nearer to 900. 900 కి దగ్గరగా ఉంది. 900 minus 45 చేస్తే 855 వస్తుంది. 900 in terms of 180 లేదంటే 90 కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చు. సో tan of 900 ని 5 into 180 minus 45. So tan of n pi minus theta minus tan theta. So minus tan 45 minus 1. I rub the board and I will explain that. Okay, I will move to the third one. Is there any place? It is there, possibility is there. Here also I will explain. Secant 13 pi by 2. 13 by 2. Here I will explain. 13 by 2 means 13 by 3. 13, 3 how many times? 3 fours are 12, no? So 1 is remaining. So we can write it as 4 pi plus pi by 3. We can write it here. Secant 4 pi plus pi by 3, dear students. 4 pi plus pi by 3, where it comes, we will check it. Pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi. 4 pi plus, in first quadrant 90, no? Pi by 3 means 60. So, you will get positive 4 pi, even multiple of pi by 2, secant function only will come pi by 3. Cos 60 means 1 by 2. Secant 60 is 1 by 1 by 2. So 2. I hope everyone got it. ఏదైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే మీరు కామెంట్ రూపంలో రాయండి, నేను you write in comments, I will explain. And in the coming days, in intermediate first year, exercise 6A, 6B, 6C, each and every bit I am going to give as a videos. Examples I will cover in the live sessions. The remaining I will give as a videos. You can, if you like really this, you can share to your friends and relatives, dear students. I hope some students of my previous students, like second year students, those who are still watching my channel, please refer to your juniors and your relatives. It will help a lot for your friends and relatives. Yeah, I'll move to second question now. Yeah, I'm going to drop this. So next, simplify the values or find the values of cos of theta minus 13 by 2 and tan of, second one, minus 23 pi by 2. A little complicated questions only, pi by 3 I am considering here. So for easy to understand the concept, dear students. So one by one we will discuss now. So first question here. Cos of theta minus 13 pi by 2. But I want 13 pi by 2 as a first term. Take common. Cos of minus 13 pi by 2 minus theta. Cos of minus theta is cos theta. So, you will get cos 13 pi by 2 minus theta. Okay, dear students? In the next step, 13 divided by 2. So 13 divided by 2 means what comes? 2 6 are 12, 1 is the remainder. So we can write it as cos of 13 pi by 2 can be written as 6 pi plus pi by 2. So 2 into 6 pi 13 plus pi 13 pi by 2 minus theta. Okay, dear students? After that, this you make as one term. So now it comes cos of 6 pi plus pi by 2 minus theta. Now go to the quadrants. Pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi, 6 pi, 6 pi plus pi by 2 minus theta. 6 pi by 2 is there, but minus theta is there. Again, in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, cos anyway positive. It is even multiple means cos only will come. Cos, theta value is what? Pi by 2 minus theta. I hope you understand once again. 6 pi means 6 pi. Till here will come. Pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi, 6 pi. plus pi by 2 minus theta. Plus pi by 2 means till here it comes. But minus theta is also there. So it will be first quadrant, positive. 6 pi even multiple means same trigonometry constant. Theta value pi by 2 minus theta. What is cos of pi by 2 minus theta? Sin theta. So what? So this is the way we can simplify it, students. The value of cos of theta minus 13 pi by 2 is looking like this. If it is in place of cos, cot is there, what comes? That also verification. Suppose in the same place, cot is there. Third question I am taking. For example, cot theta minus 13 pi by 2. Here only I am doing here. Same procedure, wherever cos is there, cot we are going to replace. Here I will explain. Cot, same thing only, no? But minus 13 pi by 2 minus theta. So cot of minus theta is minus cot theta. Minus cot 13 pi by 2 minus theta. Okay, dear students? Again 13 pi by 2, how we are going to write? The same procedure we can follow. Minus cot 6 pi plus pi by 2 minus theta. In the same way. Cot of 6 pi, again we are getting as minus 6 pi means again first quadrant. Cot only will come. Cot of pi by 2 minus theta. Cot of pi by 2 minus theta, tan theta. Minus tan theta. Whenever function comes, it changes. This is the first question, dear students. This is the third question. In place of cos, I have taken cot, but we are getting minus tan theta. Now, I am going to explain about tan of minus 23 pi by 3. Just I will rub this and I will explain. Shall I rub this now? Okay. Come to here, tan minus 23 pi divided by 3. Okay, that is equal to tan of minus theta minus tan theta, minus we can take outside. Tan of minus theta minus tan theta avutundi. So minus tan 23 pi by 3. So 3 తో మనం ఎన్నిసార్లు డివైడ్ చేస్తాము? 23 నియర్ బై. సో 23ని 3 తో డివైడ్ చేసి, if you divide 23 with 3, 3 7s are 21, 2 will be the remainder. If you want to get plus, 8 times you divide, so 1 will be minus. Better to do with 7. 3 7s are 21, 2 is the remainder. So we can write it as 23 can be written as 7 pi plus 2 pi by 3. Better. So minus tan 7 pi plus 2 pi by 3. 7 pi, how it comes? Pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi, 6 pi, 7 pi. 7 pi plus 7 pi plus 2 pi by 3 means 120 degrees. So it goes in the fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, tan is negative. In fourth quadrant, tan is negative. Here already minus is there. Minus. Next, minus. In fourth quadrant, it will be negative. So pi into 7. 14 into pi by 2 will come now. Even multiple of pi by 2. So tan only will come. Tan 2 pi by 3. Okay, dear students. Minus into minus plus. Tan 2 pi by 3. tan 2 pi by 3. How to write? That is equal to tan of pi minus pi by 3. Okay. Is it 6 or 18 now? 7 is 21, 2 will come. So 2 pi by 3. 7 pi. Pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi, 6 pi, 7 pi. 7 pi plus 120 in the fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, tan negative. So minus into minus plus, okay. 2 pi by 3. Pi minus only, no? Pi minus means in second coordinate tan negative. But tan 23 minus, once check. Why we are not taking sine 7 pi here? More than 90 we cannot take. That will be considerable. If we take as 5 pi, what happens? 3 5 is 18 means 8 pi will come. No? 7 3 is 21 pi. So 2 pi by 3 means pi minus pi by 3. That is okay. So minus tan pi by 3. Tan pi by 3 minus tan pi by 3 means tan 60. Root 3 will come. So this is the way we can do this, students. Now we will move to another question. Next question. Different categories we can do. Find the value of, this is very important type question. Find the value of sine square pi by 10 plus sine square 4 pi by 10 plus sine square 6 pi by 10 question plus sine square 9 pi by 10. So this is find the value of this one. It's a good question. It may chances to ask in the intermediate either for 4 marks or 2 marks. They may chances to ask the students. This is a very simple one. First, what we have to do is sine square pi by 10. First, as it is, you write it. Sine square pi by 10 plus sine square 4 pi by 10 plus sine square 6 pi by 10 plus sine square 9 pi by 10. First, as it is given, you write it, dear students. After that, in terms of here pi by 10, it is common. Observe carefully. Pi by 10, observe carefully, common. So first here, note it down. So star mark I am keeping. So 4 pi by 10. This can be done as pi by 2 minus pi by 10. Can we write like this? See once whether it is correct or not. 10 LCM will come, no? 2 5 5 pi. 5 pi minus pi, 4 pi only, no? So wherever 4 pi by 10 can be written as, we can replace with pi by 2 minus 10. Similarly, 6 pi by 10 equal to pi by 2 plus pi by 10. We can write it, dear students. Why? Because LCM 10 or 2 5 are 5 pi plus pi 6 pi. In the same way, 9 pi by 10, these are the logics. If you remember and practice, you will get success, dear students. So 9 pi by 10, this can be done as pi minus pi by 10. So wherever these terms are there, you can replace with these. You will get the answers. So now one by one we will change it. Sine square pi by 10. Here we are not changing anything. Plus sine square, in place of 4 pi by 10, I am going to replace with this pi by 2 minus pi by 10. So pi by 2 minus pi by 10 plus sine square of, in place of 6 pi by 10, pi by 2 plus pi by 10. Pi by 2 plus pi by 10 plus sine square of, in place of 9 pi by 10, pi minus pi by 10, dear students. So sine square of pi by 10, sine of pi by 2 minus theta, sine of 90 minus theta. Sine of 90 minus theta ఏమవుతుంది? cos theta అవుతుంది. theta ఎంత ఇక్కడ? pi by 10. సో sine of pi by 2 minus 10 whole square అన్నప్పుడు cos square theta వాల్యూ pi by 10. అర్థమైందా? సో cos of pi by sorry, cos of pi by 10 వస్తుంది, స్క్వేర్ ఉంది కాబట్టి, ప్లస్ sin of pi by 2 minus theta కూడా cos theta ని, కాబట్టి sin of pi by 2 plus theta is cos theta, స్క్వేర్ ఉంది కాబట్టి cos square pi by 10 ప్లస్ sin of pi minus theta, sin of pi minus theta sin theta, కాబట్టి స్క్వేర్ ఉంది కాబట్టి sin square pi by 10. ఇక్కడ రెండు sin square pi by 10 ఉన్నాయి, రెండు cos square pi by 10 ఉన్నాయి, కాబట్టి 2 times of sin square pi by 10 అలాగే 2 times of cos square pi by 10. రెండిట్లో కూడా 2 కామన్ తీసుకున్నాం. 2 take common from both the terms. Sin square 10, sin square pi by 10 plus cos square pi by 10. We know that identity of trigonometry, first trigonometry identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta value 1. Okay, dear students. So by using this identity, sin square pi by 10 plus cos square pi by 10 value 1. So 2 into 1, that is equal to 2. So the given answer, given question answer, the value of sin square pi by 10 plus sin square 4 pi by 10 plus sin square 6 pi by 10 plus sin square 9 pi by 10 value equal to 2. I hope everyone understand that the student అర్థమైందని అనుకుంటున్నా. ఇంకా ఏదైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే మీరు కామెంట్స్ చేయొచ్చు. ఆ కామెంట్ నుంచి నేను నా ఫ్రీ టైంలో మీకు రెస్పాన్స్ ఇస్తాను. ఓకే, మూవ్ టు ద అనదర్ క్వశ్చన్. ఇంకొక 2 క్వశ్చన్స్ చేద్దాము, ఇంపార్టెంట్ మోడల్స్. Still any? Shall I rub this? Next question. If sin theta equal to 4 by 5 and theta not in the first quadrant, then find cos theta. ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎలా కనుక్కోవాలి? ఇలాంటివి చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. 2 మార్క్స్కి ఇంటర్మీడియట్లో మనకి అడుగుతున్నాడు స్టూడెంట్స్. ఇంకొక లైవ్ సెషన్లో కూడా ఇంకా కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ చెప్తాను. ప్రస్తుతానికైతే ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ఇంకొక క్వశ్చన్ ట్రై చేస్తాను. ఇఫ్ sin theta equal to 4 by 5 and theta not in the first quadrant. ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇచ్చింది ఏంటి? sin theta వాల్యూ ఇచ్చారండి. sin theta equal to 4 by 5 ఇచ్చారు. sin theta is positive. It is positive. కానీ క్వశ్చన్లో ఏమంటున్నాడు? theta not in the first quadrant. sin theta పాజిటివ్ ఉండి ఫస్ట్ కోఆర్డినేట్లో లేదు అంటే ఇంకెక్కడ ఉంటుంది? సెకండ్ కోఆర్డినేట్లో ఉంటుంది. దెన్ theta belongs to Q2. Sin theta where it will be positive? First and second quadrant only it will be positive. Sin theta, theta not in the first quadrant means compulsory theta should be belongs to Q2. Theta first క్వాడ్రంట్లో లేదు కాబట్టి సెకండ్ క్వాడ్రంట్లో ఉంటుంది. సో వాడు కనుక్కోమని ఏంటి? కాస్ థీటా కావాలంటున్నాడు. కాస్ థీటా సెకండ్ క్వాడ్రంట్లో పాజిటివా నెగటివా? క్లియర్లీ ఇట్ ఈస్ నెగటివ్. సో ఫస్ట్ కాస్ థీటా ఫార్ములా రైట్ ఇట్. కాస్ థీటా ఈక్వల్ టు ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ 1 మైనస్ సైన్ స్క్వేర్ థీటా. దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్, మీరు రైట్ యాంగిల్ డ్రా చేసి కూడా చేయొచ్చు స్టూడెంట్స్. 1 మైనస్ సైన్ స్క్వేర్ థీటా 4 by 5 హోల్ స్క్వేర్. సో ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ 1 మైనస్ 16 by 25. సో ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ 25 minus 16 divided by 25. So that is equal to plus or minus root 9 divided by 25. So that is equal to plus or minus 3 by 5. So this is about cos theta value. Since theta belongs to Q2, after that, since theta belongs to Q2, cos theta is equal to minus 3 by 5. Q2లో కాస్ వాల్యూ నెగటివ్ కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్లో ఓన్లీ మైనస్ వీఆర్ కన్సిడరింగ్. సో కాస్ థీటా వాల్యూ ఈక్వల్ టు minus 3 by 5 because theta belongs to Q2. I hope you understand it, students. I will move to another question now. Another question and last question in the session. If secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 2 by 3 Find the value of sin theta. Find the value of sin theta and determine the quadrant in which theta lies. సో ఇలాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఎలా చేయాలి? సో if secant theta plus tan theta equal to 2/3, find the value of sin theta. మనకు ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ ఐడెంటిటీస్లో ఒక ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఐడెంటిటీ ఉందండి. secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 1/secant theta minus tan theta. అలాగే secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1/secant theta plus tan theta అండి. ఈ టూ రిజల్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. These two are very important results in trigonometric identities. This is belongs to second trigonometry identity. So what is the use of this one? So first, given secant theta plus tan theta equal to 2/3, put it as equation number 1 and write the value of secant theta minus tan theta, dear students. Secant theta minus tan theta means 1/secant theta plus tan theta only. That means the reciprocal of this one, 3/2. So after writing of these two, one time you have to add both the equations, one time you have to subtract both the equations. From that, equation 1 and equation 2 I am adding now. So whenever we are adding these two equations, plus tan theta minus tan theta is going to get cancelled. Secant theta plus secant theta, 2 secant theta is equal to 2/3 plus 3/2. Now take out LCM and 6 is the LCM. 3 2s are 2 2s are 4 plus 2 3s are 3 3s are 9. So 2 secant theta is equal to 13/6. So 2 bring this side. Secant theta is equal to 13/12. Whenever you got a secant theta value, cos theta is equal to reciprocal of secant 12/13. They are asking to find sin theta. Whenever cos theta comes, automatically it comes now. And not only that one, but also recognizing theta where it lies. Theta where it lies. After that, 1 minus 2 I am bringing now. 1 minus 2. That implies that secant theta minus secant theta cancel. Tan theta plus tan theta is 2 tan theta is equal to minus plus minus 2/3 minus 3/2. So that is equal to LCM is 6. 2 2s are 4 minus 9. So 2 tan theta is equal to minus 5/6. Tan theta is equal to minus 5/12. Observe carefully, secant theta positive, tan theta negative. In which quadrant is possible? Tan theta negative, secant theta positive. Secant theta is positive, tan theta is negative. In quadrant 4 is possible in Q4. Okay? After that, we decided that in quadrant 4 we decided. They are asking to find sin theta. Cos theta value we got it now. So sin theta equal to plus or minus root of 1 minus cos square theta plus or minus 1 minus 144 by 169 plus or minus 169 minus 144 divided by 169 plus or minus root 25 by 169, that is equal to plus or minus 5 divided by 13. In quadrant 4 sin theta is negative, therefore sin theta is equal to, among plus or minus we are taking minus 5 by 13, since theta belongs to Q4. I hope everyone understands, students. Thank you for watching my channel. If you are really like this video, please share to your friends and relatives. In the coming days, I am going to give exercise wise trigonometry intermediate first year. Thank you all. Jai Hind, Maths with Pandra.